Hello everyone, welcome back. Alright, let's quickly open up to our maths activity book 1A. Right, come to page number 150. So you have to open up your activity book 1A, page number 150. As you remember, we have done until 149 yesterday. So we will be doing 150 today. It's more or less the same like yesterday. You will have to draw and then color or use colored papers. Okay. Now they say please focus. Use any three pieces to form each shape. Then trace your answer. So they need you to use three different shapes of pieces and then join them and form a shape. So they have given you the first shape they want you to make is a square. Then they want you to make a triangle. And then they want you to make a rectangle. Alright, these are the three boxes where we are going to work now. Now, I want you to please focus and understand because you will need your pointed pencil and your ruler to form these shapes. As you remember, we did a square yesterday. We made a square using two shapes, correct? Today, we will form a square. In a square, all the sides are the same. In a square, all the sides, all the four sides are the same. So, this is a square, but they want you to have three different shapes in it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, they asked you for three shapes, three different shapes. So when I draw a line in the center, okay, this becomes part one. Okay, one triangle one and triangle two. But they want three pieces, three different shapes. So what we can do is we can play around here. What am I going to do now? I am going to take my ruler because there's only two parts. To make three parts, I'm going to put half until here. It looks like a kite though. Yes. Now you can notice there are three different parts. Part 1, part 2 and part 3. This way. Alright, I want you to draw this slowly, neatly. It should look like a square. Your first step, make two parts. Then take the part and half make another part by drawing a line in between and separating that into two halves. So this one triangle is again separated into two halves. Okay, so this is how you form a square using three different pieces, but same shape: triangle, 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 big triangle and two small triangles. Now, how to make a triangle? To make a triangle, first form a triangle. If you notice, I am using a ruler to draw on the board. I'm not doing freehand drawing. So this is a triangle as you see. Okay, now this is only one part. If I separate this becomes, and I draw a square in between the triangle. What's happening? I'm getting part 2 and part 3. Now, there are 3 parts. One part is like a square and the other 2 are triangles. So I've taken these 3 different parts to form a big triangle. Now, to draw a rectangle, you will need a ruler and a very pointed pencil. So I'm going to draw the rectangle over here. As you can see, the ink is like spreading out. Okay, in a rectangle, opposite sides are the same. Opposite sides are the same. Just I might be blocking your way, but I have to get the correct measurement so that the shape looks good. Alright, now this is a rectangle. They said to make a rectangle, you need 3 parts. So what did I do? I first separated into 2 parts. These are 2 squares. A rectangle is formed by joining 2 squares. Then what happened? Then I have separated the square into 2 parts. The square is been split into 2 parts. I'll take this side. Alright, so we have 3 different shapes. 1 square and 2 triangles, which has formed a rectangle. So this is today's work, which you need to see and do very neatly using your ruler and a pointed pencil and draw in the box. And number them. Are there 3 parts? You are able to get 3 parts or not, okay? And then you can shade out. When you color, make sure you use different colors to color the shapes, not all the same color. Because we are going to show them that we are taking 3 different pieces, 3 different parts. Okay, so I have shaded 1. I'm just giving you an example. Then I have shaded 2. I haven't been scribbling on number 2 because I want them to see. I want you to see number 2. And then you have the 3rd one. You can do this. Alright, so you have 3 different parts. How do you know? By the 3 different colors. The same way goes to a rectangle and to a square. Alright, so now page number 151. You have to strike the word name, write on Wednesday. Strike the word class, write on HW and today's date. And circle the shape that comes next in each pattern. So you follow the pattern, you circle. I've given 2 options, so you circle 1 out of it. So which will come next, you have to circle that. So please use orange color pencil to circle your answer so that it is visible. Something like this. It should look something like this. Alright, so I will be giving you 2 pages for homework, 151 and 152 for today. Okay, finish your work and take the picture and upload it for marking. I will see you shortly for your science lesson. Bye for now.